In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Yahoo Mail to Taskbar. This is a quick way to open your email with a single click, right from the bottom of your screen, without hunting through bookmarks or typing the address every time. Start on your Windows desktop. Find an empty area where there aren't any icons, then right-click to open the context menu. An empty spot simply means you're not clicking on a file or shortcut, so the menu that appears will have the options we need. From that menu, hover over New, and then click Shortcut. This tells Windows you want to create a shortcut that launches something directly. A window will pop up asking for the location of the item. In that field, type or paste the web address for Yahoo Mail, https://mail.yahoo.com. This URL ensures the shortcut opens Yahoo Mail in your default browser. If you prefer, you can copy it beforehand and paste it here to avoid typos. Click Next, and you'll be asked to name your shortcut. Type a clear name you'll recognize right away, like Yahoo Mail. This is the label you'll see on your desktop and it helps keep things organized. When you're ready, click Finish. Windows will place the new Yahoo Mail shortcut on your desktop. Don't worry if the icon looks like your web browser rather than a Yahoo logo. That's normal for web shortcuts. Now go to your desktop and find the new shortcut you just created. When you see it, right-click the shortcut and select Pin to Taskbar. This option adds an icon to the taskbar, the bar along the bottom of your screen. If your taskbar is positioned on the side or top, it works the same way. You should now see a new icon on your taskbar. That's your one-click access to Yahoo Mail. Clicking it will launch your default browser and take you straight to https://mail.yahoo.com, so you can sign in, or, if you're already signed in, head right to your inbox. If you like to keep things tidy, you can drag the new icon left or right on the taskbar to position it exactly where you want it. That's all there is to it. You created a desktop shortcut to Yahoo Mail and pinned it to the taskbar for fast, easy access anytime you need to check your email. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like these.